What's going on, everyone? Welcome back. As you can see by the title, today we're not going to be working on the Supra. We're going to be working on the Lexus. For the past 2 weeks, it's developed this really annoying squeaky noise coming out of the passenger side. I know it's got to be suspension, bushing relating, and after kind of just going around everything and you know doing like a process of elimination, I changed the lower ball joints, inner, outer tie rods. It was either the lower or upper control arm. And Mario, shout out to him from Big Boy Performance, he kind of confirmed that it was the upper control arm. I was just gonna do one side, but I got the pair from A1 Auto. They were only like 90 bucks. It's with the whole arm and bushing and everything installed. It's not worth going through the whole hassle, taking it off and going it to somebody to get them pressed in. So I'm just gonna change both. So I'm gonna show you guys really quick the noise and the symptoms that it does, just in case anybody has a similar issue, so they can kind of relate and have the problem fixed and they know where it's coming from. All right, guys. So as you can see, when you turn the steering wheel very slightly, makes that annoying like screeching sound that it was just driving me crazy for the past 2 or 3 weeks now. And it's just I think it was to the point that I didn't want to drive the car anymore. If you do it fast, it doesn't do it, but if you do it slow, that's when it does it. So yeah, let's go ahead and lift this thing up and get it on the jack stands. All right, guys, so very simple. These are the arms that we're going to be using. These are from A1 Auto. Like I said, they were like $91 with shipping and everything for both. If you're gonna do one, guys, you might as well just do both. It's no point in just doing one side and then the other side goes back. I believe these are the bushings here that are making that squeaky noise. 90 bucks. I know they're not OEM, but I think they'll get the job done. This is a extractor I brought from my dad, from my old man, to pop the cast and the ball joint out of his paste, because they're usually on there hard, so I don't have to hammer it up. Usually pops out right away with this. So yeah, guys, let me jack up the car and get this thing started. So you can see the little intro with the Supra. Just real quick, I haven't done nothing to it. It's filthy, it's dirty. I haven't touched it in, I'm gonna say, like 2 or 3 weeks since the last video. It still hasn't gotten tuned. It drives, but just really can't beat on it. Already, motor's already broken in. It's got more than 200 miles already. I did the first oil change. So look out for the next video because we're gonna be heading to the dyno soon. So yeah, let's get the Lexus fixed. It's the daily. All right, guys. So I'm gonna start with the side that's known to be giving the problem, the sound. Mind you, I'm sorry. I know it's a little dirty. It's a daily. Streets, you know, it's been a little wet here past couple days. So, as you can see here, visually they don't look bad. Here the boot is not crazy. Same thing here, the tight. Everything else around here looks fine. So yeah, let's just go ahead and take them out and see how it looks outside of the car. First thing we're gonna do is remove this clip from here, from the castle nut. Oh, that popped off fast. Castle nut is out. Then we'll do these over here. Okay, first bolt is out. Make sure we get that on the camera. And the second one. Finally out. Okay. All right, I got the extractor here. Put on this part of the joint. Well, before I go any forward, you guys saw I tried, so I guess she has to come on now one way or the other. And there it is. Good. So you see, wasn't that hard. She just needs a little bit of love. All right. Okay. Let's put it side by side with the other one now. So you can see here, this looks perfectly fine. We didn't hit it, damage it. Both here are fine. Everything there's fine. All right. So here's the one that we took out. These are the other ones. Now they are two different part numbers, so one is left, one is right. So let's see here, which one's which. right side. It says an R on it. Oh, and I guess we see the difference between OEM and... Alright guys, so pretty easy to tell them apart. Obviously if you put them up, this one lines up, this one you put it on, it does not line up. So this must be the driver's side, and this is the passenger side, the one that we just took out. Alright, so side by side comparison. This is all pretty soft. Looks like it's all worn out. This one, it's hard, I can't even move it. As far as the rubber pieces go, that bushing inside is already, see, it kind of has like a wear around it. It is an OEM arm, but here, same thing on this side. It looks like it's seen better days. This one moves a little bit too. It's not completely like a real solid bushing, but the screw in the middle definitely does not move around. So, all right, let's go ahead and get these installed. By the way, this over here, it's a cap, protective cap. So here's the regular looking boot. Not as fancy as the OEM one, but still pretty nice. Not complaining. Alright guys, so I'm actually going to go ahead and start from the back. There's 2 screws in the back. So that way I don't have the arm moving around. I apologize for the light. I know it is a little dark. That was a little mission. So when you guys get the 2 nuts in the back arm, the 2 bolts, I'm sorry, and just wiggle this into place. Let it fine. Remember, it's gonna be hard. It has to settle in. So it comes with this, like a flat style, kind of no washer type caster nut. This is the OEM one. OEM one looks better, so I'm gonna go with the OEM one. Just kind of, you know, has more surface on the bottom of the arm, so stick with the OEM on this one. So try to spin it enough so you get the hole so the pin can go in through all the way. So you see on this side, you get the hole from one side to the other. Now they do include new lock pin, so I am going to use that. I'm not going to use the old one. Again, guys, I'm sorry for the lighting. It's getting a little dark here. I'm trying to finish. Okay, you saw that. Goes right through. Right through your pliers. All right. And there. Locked. Remember the titles 2 back there. I'm gonna ahead and do that. Install the rim and then jump on the other side. And this is one side, same side on the other side, guys. So once we're done, I'm gonna put it down, give it a spin, make sure it has no squeaking, and I'll check back with you guys. All right, guys. All right, guys, we're all done here. Back on the floor. Finish both sides. See if squeaky noise went away. Just take it for a spin. All right, so far so good. Good, guys. Noise seemed to want to go away completely. Thank God, because that thing was driving me crazy. All right, guys, wanted to close this one on a good note. You saw we got the A-arms on, noise is gone, you know, we're good, happy. Just wanted to, you know, to make this video. Hopefully it helps out anybody with, you know, that's looking for the source of this annoying squeaky sound. You know, anybody with their GS 300, 400, GS 430, should all be the same thing. I'm going to link the arms on the A1 Auto website, just in case anybody wants to buy them, they can buy them in a pair. I would suggest you do both. Why do one when you can just do both? They're not that expensive, guys. Just, you know, just if you're gonna do one, just do both, and you know, be done with it. Thank you to everyone that has subscribed to the channel. We finally broke 1,000, guys. Super excited for that. Stick around for the next one because we're finally gonna put the Supra on the dyno and see, you know, let her rip. See if he cracks 1,300. That's the goal. That's what I want. All right, guys. Thank you, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one.